Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, GlamQueenofDIY. Now, if you want to see how I turn this into this, make sure you keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to GlamQueenofDIY, and if you're new, welcome. Now you guys, in today's video we are doing a simple DIY upcycle. Now what I'm using for this DIY, you guys, I do have 3 of these 16 by 16 interior by design frame art. I have 2 of these pictures and 1 of these. Now you guys, I did purchase these. I think it was from Family Dollar. I have had them for a while. I've been waiting to do something with these colors, so we're getting ready to jazz them up. So you're going to need your frames. You're also going to need scissors and your diamond rhinestone hot fix sheet is what I'm using. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all of my pieces, you guys. I am going to just dress this picture up to take it up a notch. I want to also highlight all of the vases with that bling wrap as well. Now first things first, you guys, I don't know about you, but I always pull off my tabs, and I always take out the staples, because the staples is what the number one thing that actually damages your wall. So that's just a useful tip for you. So with that being said, and remove the staples and cut our pieces. Pretty simple, you guys, and I leave this on till I actually get ready to hang it. Do have the tabs off the pictures, off both of them. I'm going to start with this one. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to dress the vases, and as you can see I have all my cut pieces here, and you guys, these still are the self-adhesive. So I'm just going to be pulling the backing off. There it is. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to pull the backing off. And then you guys, I am just aligning my rhinestone strips around each of the vases to give them more of a 3D effect and make the vases appear to pop off the picture. Now I am going to do this for each of the vase and for all 3 of my pictures. Like I say, this will be a very simple and easy DIY to follow. So we're just going to added around the vases once again to give it the illusion of a 3D effect. Now I'm going to just let you listen to the music as we outline these vases. Now, if this is your first time tuning in to the Glam Queen DIY, I want to tell you once again, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, here on the Glam Queen DIY, the name says it all. You get Glam DIYs, but we are transitioning the channel over. Now, you guys, this channel will become a few DIYs, and it's going to be more on the upscale that I will be doing a lot more wall art, and I'm doing DIYs when it comes to kind of renovating and elevating and changing the actual look of the home as opposed to all of the DIYs. Your girl is going through a transitional change, and all of the DIYs, you guys, to me, is adding too much clutter and items in my space, which I am not in love with right at the moment. So I am going to transition out, and like I say, you will get quite a bit of wall art coming videos. I do have like 7 wall art videos filmed. I got trying to line everything up in its proper rotation that you will get to see. You're going to see some geode and some more elevated look for wall art, and also home renovation DIYs as well. Now, you guys, do make sure you subscribe to the channel if this is your first time tuning in. Also, share the channel with your family and friends. How about you share the channel with at least 9 of your friends that likes DIY, home decor, and lifestyle? We are on the road to 50,000 followers, you guys, and we can do this together. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting your girl while I have been down. I am going to be coming with a live video to give you a full update on my health, but I just want to thank you guys so much for your prayers and your support. Now, with that being said, also make sure your notification bell is turned to all so you'll know when we are uploading. At this present time, we do upload 4 days a week. I am going to be sticking to that schedule, but you guys, make sure you are catching my videos that I am dropping at 12 noon. Those will be the sponsored items, and you guys, I truly believe I have some amazing sponsored items that you would like to get your hands on for this Christmas season. And you're going to see different types of things. So do make sure you're checking out those 12 noon videos. And I will be dropping those probably every other day, because I have sponsorship that spans back almost a year. And we have to get all of those out before the end of this 2024 fiscal year. So with that being said, I'm going to quit talking and let you watch me give these vases on this frame a 3D effect look. Now that we have elevated the vases, I am adding that same bling strip to the facing of the frame. Now you guys, I will not cover the whole entirety of the frame, but I am just adding a 5-row strip around the face. I'm going to leave the insert of the frame with that wood look plus the outer edging. Typically I would have fixed all of that to have the same look, but you guys, I am falling back in love with more of what I consider the natural and neutral tones and with the wood, and you're going to get to see that as well in a few upcoming videos. So I'm just going to trim all of the frames out, and we do have this frame at this portion almost complete. And as we bring this DIY to a close, you guys, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, tap that bell twice, it turns blue, then you'll know every time that I am uploading. Also, you guys, if you miss my uploads, make sure you're coming to check my channels. We do upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and once again you get uploads on other days, and at this present time you'll be getting uploads at 12 noon for sponsorship. And this is what that picture, you guys, looks like, and I'm going to tell you, these pictures are amazing. I was using these for my bathroom space, but my niece saw them, so what I did was I blessed her with the pictures and all of the vases and the decor that I had to go along with these frames.